Good afternoon, students. Welcome to your chapter reading session for chapter 7. The name of the chapter is Changing Backgrounds and Styles. So let's have it. Observe these two pictures, one with the background, one with the plain white background. Among these two pictures, we would like to have the first picture. Why? The first picture has a beautiful background, whereas the second picture is blank. The background in a picture helps the viewer in making the story of picture. Normally, here the background is of sky. It relates with the hot air balloon. A blank picture without any background depicts nothing. If the background is clear and attractive, it adds the beauty of the picture. On the other hand, if the background is blurred or not clear, the viewer may not like the picture. Similarly, in Scratch, similarly in Similarly, in Scratch, there are many inbuilt background that you can add in project. Just like sprites, background can be uploaded from the Scratch library or can be painted. The background is added on the stage where sprite performs action. Now, we are going to learn how we can add a background. There are three buttons which are used to add background on the stage. We have talked about these three buttons in our class. You can add a background from the Scratch library. This is the first part. Paint a new background, second part, and click a picture to add as background, that is the third part. Let's have it. Import is the first option. To add background from the Scratch library, you have to follow the step. Click on the stage icon given below the sprite list. The costume tab will change into background tab. Click on the background tab. Click on the import button. The import background dialog box appear. Double click on any folder. Select any one option from the folder and click OK. Whichever option you are selecting, the selecting option add itself on the stage under the background tab. We will talk about all the three steps one after another. We'll read them first. Second is paint. To paint a new background, you have to follow the step. Click on the paint button given under the background tab. The paint editor window appears. The left pane has the tools and the color palette that you can use to paint, and the right pane is the pane on which the painted background appears. See, they have painted a background here by using different colors and shapes. Using the tool and the color palette, paint a background as shown and click on OK. Now, whichever background they have painted, they had applied them as a background on the stage. Camera. To click a picture and add it as a background on the stage, follow the steps. Click on the camera button given under the background tab. The inbuilt camera of your computer will open. Click a picture and add it as a background. Changing backgrounds. Now that you have learned how to add or paint a background to your project, you can also change the background. How we can do that? Open a new project, click on the stage icon, click on the background tab, click on import button. Here this is a practice one. They are adding you a beach Malibu and flower bed background option from the nature folder. You can also add bedroom 1 background from the indoor options. To delete any background from the list, you click delete this background button. You can add and delete white background from the list. Now click on the sprite tab located on left of the background tab to create a script for background. Use different blocks as required. I would request please use these two blocks for the same in your practical part. We will talk about this, and let's start and have the program. I have opened up the program Scratch. As you can see, right now my background is white. I will click on the background part. This is the Scratch window, and as you can see here, we have a blank background. We would like to add some background, so I'll click on it, and these are the background which are available with the program. I can use any of the background and see it will be provided on the screen. Similarly, I can paint the background also as per my requirement. So here I can put different colors, different shapes, and whatever am I drawing will be provided as the background. See? So this is how you can apply the backgrounds as per your choice in Scratch program. We are going to continue with the upcoming topic, that is changing pen shade and pen size. So let's talk about it. The pen block menu has blocks that used to draw shape on the stage. You can increase the pen size. We can change the color of the pen and the shade of the pen. When the sprite moves on the stage, the pen block in the script enables it to draw on the stage. Let us use some pen block. We are going to create this. Coding in our Scratch. Okay, so let's start with it. I'm going to start with a new file. New file opened up. The first is repeat, and repeat is available in control palette. So repeat ten times. After that we have the next move 2 steps, moves in your motion block. Let's have move 10 steps. Then pen down. Now here you can see I don't have a pen block. आपको इसे extension से add करना होगा. Okay, see now pen block is here. Pen down option. After the pen down, we have change pen color by 10, change pen size by 1, change pen color by 10, change pen size by 1. I think the complete has been done. So let's see what will happen. See, as the cat is moving, I'll brought it down the cat again. जैसे जैसे cat move कर रहा है, see the color and the trailing is getting bigger. Thick होता जा रहा है shade. Color भी change कर रहा है. देखिए कितना बड़ा होता जा रहा है. This is changing the pen color and pen shade. Thank you, students.